Everyone, I'm Jaideep Singh Chahal. So with us today we have Jimny number 4 and 5, or rather this is number 4 in order of delivery and this one is 5th. Uh, this belongs to Mankaval and this is Amarbir's neon green, or whatever Maruti likes to call it, some shade of yellow, but it's more of a neon green. Uh, I think this was the first color that came on display, but then again, everybody was of the opinion it's good to look at the dealership, but not a color that everyone can buy. But I believe me, once out of the dealership, this is what actually looks the best. Earlier I thought that the white is the best looking color, but I would place this above the white any day. Being a smaller sized vehicle, the amount of attention it gets and the way it becomes visible on the road is amazing. And once snow starts and once the trips they start and once the vehicle is prepped, this is going to look the best in photographs. uh, so this one we covered it a little bit in one of the previous videos as well. I think I'm still to upload that, but I'll brief you through what has happened to both of these vehicles. uh, as you know that the Ironman kits are currently out of stock and we've been waiting for them for quite a while, and they're expected in the next 10 to 15 days. As per the commitment by Zach, they'll be here before 15th of August with everyone. And so the wheels for both, the tires for both, we had already purchased them because we were kind of clear as to what we wanted. So that excitement was such that nobody wanted to wait for the actual kit to come in. So what we've done is not advised. I would not suggest anyone to do that. But what we've done is we've lifted both of these vehicles 2.25 inches in the front and almost 2 inches in the back by placing rubber spacers above and below the coil spring. In the front, we've got a 1.8-inch spacer above and a half an inch spacer below the coil spring. And in the back, we've just got a 2-inch spacer above the coil spring. But what has happened is the caster angles are not correct as of now, and since these are not the primary vehicles and are not being used every day, so we decided to go ahead with that, lift them, trim the bumpers till the metal bumpers come in, and at least we can run these beautiful set of tires and wheels. That is just to take care of the excitement. I would not suggest anyone to lift this way and use the vehicle on the road, because one of the major components which is still missing is the steering stabilizer or the steering damper. So that is yet to come in with the main kit, and only then we can trust these not to death wobble at a high speed because of the tire. They're heavy, and of course they are tall as well. So all solid axles with taller and heavier tires are going to be prone to death wobble. That is an inbuilt thing, and nobody can get rid of that for you other than a good steering stabilizer. So that is yet to happen, but we really wanted to see how they look, so we went ahead with that. So I'll quickly show you what we've done. This one, even though the tires might look similar in size and you know uh, the design as well, they are both Bfgoodrich Ko2s, and they're completely different sets of tires. This one is a 17-inch. This is a 275 65 17, and it's running on 17-inch 9J wide fuel wheels. So the wheels were supplied by Saurabh from Paya 4x4, and the tires, of course, the tires as well, he imported them for us. Uh, this tire is 31.1 inches tall. So what we've done is, after the lift went in, this bit was trimmed. There used to be a plastic bit that goes straight, so that bit was trimmed, and so was the front. So in the front, if you see, this entire line has been trimmed and the fender liner was shifted forward. So we've kind of spaced out the wheel arch. And coming to this set, Amarbir's Jimny is running a beautiful set of 8J minus 19 offset American racing wheels. These are 15 inches and it is running on 3110 and a half. So this tire is 31.1 inches and this is clear 31 inches. Same trimming has happened there. Both are running these spacers, and The lift on both is exactly the same. No other modifications as of now. Both have the similar rain visors. So this one, they had a pre-installed side cladding kit, which initially we didn't want, but once the wheels have come in, it looks pretty neat. So that side cladding is there. This one doesn't have it. And if you can come around the back, I'll quickly show you how the rear looks. And yeah, that's our group, the Ibex Trailblazers. And we started putting a few stickers on both. Nice big tire in the back and the boxy feel. It makes it look really, really nice. And even these 31s, they look massive. So if you can see, even a 31-inch tire, it looks huge. Uh, on this one, yeah. So we were running factory mud flaps on this one. I think these come as an accessory with the vehicle. And if you can see, the tire is so big that it's kind of eaten into the mud flap. So those will come off. So two similar vehicles. Akshay's white Jimny is also the same. It is running a similar set, 265/65. This is one number bigger on 9J 17-inch wheels, and pretty much similar stance. So we've got three spacer lifted vehicles. One, Jaskaran's vehicle, has the proper Ironman lift kit, and the first one to come in, that only has the 15-inch with 235s, and even that is being used every day. That was the grey one we covered in the first video, and the one that we took to Barot as well on the road trip. So that's about it. If there's any questions, queries, do let me know. Both the cars, they drive beautifully, other than of course the wobbles and the incorrect caster angles as of now. So we can't really comment on exactly how these feel, but we've got a little feel of, the correct ride on Jaskaran's vehicle. So another 2 weeks, I think we should have the new suspensions in, and that should be it. So we'll cover that very, very soon. And if there's any other questions, queries or comments, do let me know. Thank you.